Hello there, welcome to codemsb YouTube channel. This is Sadiq Ali, and we are going to today you know that how we can download the GIMP software. So GIMP is a freeware software that was invented in the year 1996. The full form of GIMP is General Image Manipulation Program. It is not exactly like Adobe Photoshop, but if you really wanted to have if you really wanted to make a career or you want to do some graphic kind of work, so it's a very good place to start. Right, so here I want to write download GIMP, and you can see that so many websites are coming. And the first website, as you can see, that is the gimp.org. That's the official website from where we are going to download the software. Now I will be going to click on this download link, and after clicking, I will be going to have this interface. So right now the computer that I'm using, it's Windows 10. It's a Windows computer. So there are all bunch of different versions. Like for example, Windows version we have available, and I think iOS and different versions are also might available. So for that, I think we should click on download. So this is GIMP for Windows, right? I don't know about that whether it's also compatible. I mean the iOS version is available or not, but I have the Windows machine, so I am doing for the Windows. So I will click on this orange button, which is download GIMP 2.10.32 directly. So I will be going to click on this. So now see, it is loading, which means it is on the process. And this is our setup file. If you read the link, it's like download.gimp.org/gimp slash version 2.10 Windows gimp hyphen 2.10232, and then hyphen setup, and then again hyphen 1.exe. That is the permalink, right, for this software. So let's see where our downloads will begins. Yep, it's started, and you can see it's about 253 MB, and it's getting downloaded very fast. So let me do give you some of the introduction of the GIMP, like it's downloading right now. So this is the GIMP icon, as you see that right having a paintbrush. So this whenever we will download the software, and after we extract the software, so this is something that we will be going to have as the icon of the software. So let's look at the interface. Let me click on this for the interface. I'm opening this image in a new tab. Just want to zoom a little bit. Okay, it's getting pixelate, no issue. We can have more images. This is also looking nice because it is explaining some of the tools that are available. So let me open this image in a new tab. Hopefully it is having some good size. Yep, thankfully we have a good size image now. So as you can see that there are the three sections. This is the first section, this is the second section, and this is the third section. So this section is known as toolbox section because all the tools we have here. And the second section, as you can see that this section is known as the image area. So the area where we can do work, like the real playground where we will be going to do freehand drawings with a paintbrush, or if there is some image, we can trace the image with the help of a pen tool, and so many things that we can do here. And this section, as you can see that this is known as the dockable dialogues. Why it is known as dockable dialogues? Well, it is known as dockable dialogues because you can drag them and put it anywhere of the window. For example, wherever you want to put, you can put it. So this is draggable. So there are so many different kind of designers are present, which are giving different kind of design services. So each and every one taste is different, the way they work, that's the different tools that they are using, that is different. So because of this kind of environment, the dockable environment, each and every designer can make the environment such a way that it fit for their it's fit for their work, right? That was all about it. So now as you can see that our download has happened, and now I just want to click here, and I want to click this show in folder button. So you can see that the size of the file, which is around 259 MB. Let's do one thing, just click the right click of the button and open the file. As you can see that the file is getting opened. Yeah, so it is saying that select the mod. So let me do that. Install for all the users, and then just yes, and then it's asking for the English language. So let's select English because I don't know all these languages. Anyway, so yeah, so now this is the interface, the beautiful 9 squares, I would say. And now it is getting, extracting all the files. You can see that. So the cool thing about looking at the extracting file is that we can have a tea or a biscuit. Okay, I'm just joking. Anyway, the thing is that here we can see that most of the files are having the extension of .py. Do you know why? The .py extension is of Python, so we can see that this software might be built on Python. So let's check it out. But as per I know, this software is built on C programming language, but some of the modules might be built on Python programming language. That's why we can see that .py, .py is coming again. .py files are coming again and again. As far I know, this software is actually developed on C programming language. Let's check it out. GIMP programming language. Yeah, so it is C. As you can see that, and it's a freeware software, right? So does GIMP use Python? GIMP Python is a different from the script view extensions. As you can see that there are some of the extensions that might be developed using the Python, right? But the software is corely written on C programming language. Okay, so you can see the power of C and C++, that all these graphical, all these very kind of very important softwares are developed using these programming languages. So now our software is getting downloaded. Till then, let's discuss a little bit more about this software, and then we will be going to see the actual interface. So where we were at this image, right? So now, as we know that these are the toolbox, and this is the image area, and this portion is known as the dockable dialogues, because we can drag and drop the dialogues wherever we want. Similarly, whenever we save the any of the file in our this project window, so for example, our phone photographs that we click with the camera, they are having most of the time the extension or the format is .png or .jpg. Similarly, whenever we are saving the file, so we will have the extension which is .xcf. So this is the extension of the file which is which is a GIMP file. So whenever you will save the file, so you're gonna save with the extension which is .xcnf. Sounds good. So this is one of the very important thing that we should know. So but in case when you will exporting the file, for example, this is one of the that saving the file, this extension will become will appear when you save the file. But in case when you export the file, so you have the option to export either in, there are various other forms, that is like png is one of the form, and there are so many image forms are available, where we, with the help of those forms, like we can use any of the form as per our requirement, and then accordingly we will be going to do that, as per our need. Actually, we can use it. This is what I wanted to say. Now this is the uh, documentation, official documentation of this software. If you want to read some of the stuff, so they have docs here. You can click here and you can actually read it, and this is free of cost. But if you really wanted to do something for them, so do donate. There is a donate button here also, and you can click here and donate. So if you really wanted to donate, then go ahead and you can do that, right? So now I think our software is almost it's done now. It's extracting file and we are good to go. GIMP is installing. Congratulations for that. Let's only few more seconds are left, and we are no we are like we are done. See, it's now saying that your wizard is completed, and just doing that. I hope so that it will run smooth in my computer. Let's check it out. Let me write GIMP. See this red icon, the black color red, having a paintbrush in his mouth. I don't know why it's eating that paintbrush. So now opening this GIMP software. It's opening for the first time. So this is the interface that it look like. GIMP 2.10, the latest version. GNU image manipulation program, as we also discussed in the beginning of the video. And now it will see, you can see that .py files are coming, spirus.py and exe files are coming here. So it will be not take lots of time. Yeah, it takes time, but not so much of time it will take, you know. So now our files are getting loaded. That means we have installed the GIMP successfully, right? I think how much time we have now? Like it's 10 minutes video already. Uh, we are done like more like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, and we are okay now. Yeah, congratulations for that. So now this is the interface of the GIMP. So we can go to file, and after go to file, we can go to new, and we can specify the size if we want some different size, but this is the default size. We press the OK button, and after that, this canvas is coming. So now, for example, if we want to have a pencil tool or a pen brush, we can go here and we can take a pencil from here, right? And let me write something. Code MSB code. Let me change the color from here. MSB. So please do subscribe to our channel. That was all about the video. We learned how to install GIMP software, and we also have some of the introduction about GIMP, that when it's get invented, what's the full form of GIMP, and so many things. But I will be making short videos on GIMP software where we are using all these tools, all these different layers and everything we are actually going to use. See, I was telling that this is dockable, so we can just drag and drop anywhere we want. We can put it in a different directions as per our needs, right? That is why it is known as dockable. Okay, let me put it there only where I actually started them, like from where I take them. So that was all about the tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. Jazakallah khaira.